Sleek design electric nail file. The USB nail drill kit is compact enough for carry-out, and USB interface design is convenient to use it anywhere. Sleek size design is very easy to use and storage. 20,000 revolutions per minute nail drill machine. The adjust speed up to 20,000 revolutions per minute. The lowest speed is gentle for natural nails, and the higher speed is powerful for acrylic gel nails and dip powder nails. Portbale Efile. Pen shape and lightweight handpiece is perfect for small hands. Support forward and reverse rotation direction. Operation is smooth, quiet and low vibration. Aluminum nail drill handpiece. The nail drill handpiece is full aluminum alloy. It is durable and long-lasting. It is an effective manicure-pedicure tool for home and salon use. Professional nail drill. This acrylic nail kit comes with nail drill bits and sanding bands. It is suitable for shaping nails, filing nails, polishing nails, shortening nails, removing poly nail gel and dip powder nails. Top reviews from the United States. Works for your nails, and I even used it as a Dremel tool to modify an ignition cylinder. Bought this for my wife and she uses it a lot. I was working on modifying my wife's ignition on her 2008 Ford Escape. I had to grind away about 1/8 inch of solid steel and didn't have a Dremel tool, so I thought of this and the carbide bits it come with.